Hi everyone, Emily with MarineMax and Nisswa. I'm on a 2021 X24. This is a beautiful trade that we got in, loaded out, all cool feel beach tan vinyl in here, and they did the flip up seats, making it a nice location to be able to watch the riders, as well as having this convertible rear seat here. It's definitely an action-packed boat that you're gonna wanna see everyone surf in. This also has the 7.4 liter Ilmor, so the big block motor in this boat. Very nice upgrade. Also has dual screen dash, heaters, only 135 hours. You can walk through, go into the bow. You have flip down armrests, or you can make this into a nice big playpen and put another cushion in here. Definitely a nice spot to hang out. This boat just got to MarineMax in Nisswa, so come and see it today in person or on our website, MarineMax.com.